Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm here with, that's the this picture, with Michelle. And you can't hear her because I have her on headphones. But today I'm gonna be giving you a member inventory tour because I haven't done a member version yet. So yeah. So this is my accurate den right now. And yeah, my favorite part is right here. Okay, so let's get started with the den items. So I'm just going to be flipping through. I have quite a lot of items. So there's like Valentine's Day items, a lot of nature items, a lot of school items, and all that. And I have a bit of a cold. Sorry guys. So I have 466 items, den items. And so yeah, loading in. And I'll be doing more videos. It's just I'm running out of ideas because I did everything. And then I have all these dens. I'll do like a den tours video later on, I guess. Here's my pets. Just waiting for it to load in here. And sorry for the background noise, my bird is chirping. And yeah. And then I have my animals. Here's my unicorn banana. And then my buddies. And then my gems. I don't have much gems, but yeah. Then I have my clothing items, which is probably the most exciting part. And so here's the items. I have so many of these. I'm going to recycle those for gems. My spikes, yes. Gazelles. All that fun stuff. And yeah, that's my whole collection of things. I have no idea what to do now. Please comment down below video ideas. I would love to do them for you guys as long as it's not super duper hard. But yeah, this video was probably really boring for a lot of people, but you know, it will update on what I have and yeah. If you want to trade for any items, just comment down below. comment everything down below so that I could get ideas. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.